It's a relaxed Sunday afternoon, July 14th, 2024, and during the last couple of months, I had numerous signals short. Just in a fundamental view, price earnings of 30 to 40, or in Nvidia even 70, paint a clear picture of a bubble. And I think more or less everybody knows that we must be close to a peak, but there is a huge interest in further inflation of the bubble. So the question arises, how can we determine when exactly the bubble bursts? And I think last week we got a pretty good hint in the form of this rotation, the rotation from growth into, or from tech into value, seen, for example, in the Nasdaq versus Russell, but even in single stocks like, for example, the most extreme probably Nvidia. And when we zoom in here, yeah, uh, we made new highs in all major indexes, but here in Nvidia, as you can see, we did not. We even made a first impulse. Can I show this here with this cursor? Yeah, we had this first impulse down. I hope this is recorded. Now from here to here. So even in wave terms, you could call this a first impulse down, a correction, and then another first impulse down. This could be a 1 of a 3 down, and the 2 of the 3 is either in the making or already finished. When we look at some other big values, for example, Apple, oh, this doesn't look good. Do I have a connection here? Hmm, this connection is lame. Okay, let's try another one. Let's try JP Morgan. Yeah. Let me zoom in. Can I pull this? Yeah. Yeah. No words needed. Again, could have been a first impulse down here from to here, correction, and now another impulse down. And do we have some more examples? Nvidia. Wait, Tesla might be interesting. We saw this break below this longer term trend line. Oh, this is really long term. Yeah, we saw this break to the upside. Now we pulled back, and you can see I set some alarms here. If we break below 230, 225 somewhere, this could become a false break. But up until now, it's still a break to the upside. Yeah, so well, some more. Yeah, maybe the Bitcoin. Um, oh yeah, the Nikkei. Oh, this is another example of this rotation. Can I somehow leave this? Okay, choose it again. The Nikkei or the ASX as well. The Nikkei has been the laggard for a long while. You know, up until here, we saw some strength, then sharp pullback. For it looked like this one here was the first impulse down, and this one here looked very corrective, so it could have been a trap, or it was a trap, as you can see here. This rotation into the Nikkei and in the Australian market that you can see as well. It was the laggard for a long time, and now the laggard turns into the leader. I don't think so. I mean, it could be a normal rotation, but at this point, at this in this bubble, I don't think that it's an ordinary rotation. I mean, relatively, we will probably see a better development in the value area than compared with the tech area. But anyway, when the Max 7 turned down, especially Nvidia, it will pull the Nasdaq down, the S&P down, and thereby the Dow Jones, and this will pull the whole market down. So we have to wait and see. But these breakouts to the upside in Nasdaq and the ASX, Australia 200, I think it's called here, will could turn out to be false breaks, and then give a very strong signal short if we see this re-break down. Yeah, so much. Okay, so much for today. Should we take Tesla, Nvidia, JP Morgan? Oh yeah, the Bitcoin might be interesting to have it here. Weakness in the Bitcoin. As I already mentioned in the last few videos, there's a trend line running somewhere. Can I draw here? Oh, okay, let's try this. How does this work? Okay, draw a trend line. Once. Oh yeah, like this. Yeah, it runs somewhere here, or maybe not that steep, like this. Maybe somewhere here. So we definitely broke to the downside after this breakup, and as long as we stay below, I think it's a bit lower here somewhere, or maybe even lower, maybe here. As long as we stay below, clear signal short, and when you look at the correlation to the stock market, then This fits into the picture of this could finally have been the popping of the bubble, the bursting of the bubble.